In my previous video, we have already learned about the use of ing with verbs. Today, we are going to learn about the use of ed verbs. Before moving, I am going to tell you about the use of ing verb. Yes. The ing verbs often show the action that is happening. मतलब कोई action at present चल रहा हो. ठीक है? Let's see some example. Okay. Eat plus ing eating. We are eating food. ठीक है, इसमें ing लग गया है तो ये प्रेजेंट चल रहा है, मतलब हम खाना खा रहे हैं. वी आर ईटिंग फूड. ओके. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज फ्लाई. FLY फ्लाई प्लस ing फ्लाइंग. द बर्ड्स आर फ्लाइंग. ओके. इसमें आसमान में चिड़िया उड़ रही हैं. ड्रिंक प्लस ing ड्रिंकिंग. I am drinking water. ठीक है. I am drinking water मतलब इसमें मैं पानी पी रहा हूँ. जो क्रिया अभी इस समय चल रही हो. I am drinking water. Okay. Let's move on today's topic, that is use of ed verbs. This video is our last lesson on practicing past tense verbs. Verbs in the past, we add the letter ed to the end. For example, TALK plus ed is equal to talked. Talk becomes talked. Okay. Next example is COOK, cook plus ed becomes cooked. COOKED, cooked. COOKD, cooked. Work, WORK, work plus ed. Work becomes worked. WORKD. WORKED, worked. Okay. Next example is want. WANT plus ed becomes wanted. WANTED, wanted. Okay. Next example is play. PLAY plus ed, played. Play becomes played. PLAYED, played. Okay. Next example is look. LOOK plus ED becomes looked. LOOKED, looked. Looked. LOOKED, looked. But if a verb already ends with E, we can just add D to make it the past tense verb. But if it does not have E, we have to add ed Okay, let's start with our example. Liked, like, plus D becomes liked. Liked, liked. Next example is close. Close. We have to add only D. Close become closed. 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 Okay. Next example is refuse. Refuse plus D. Refuse becomes refused. 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 Okay, next example is use. Use plus D becomes used. Used. Next example is cycle. Cycle plus D becomes cycled. Cycled.